Dear viewers, in today's video I will show you how you can search for a particular paper using the Google Scholar. First, open the site scholar.google.com. Right here, if you are searching for software engineering paper, so write software and engineering. So we are using the double quotes here. It means that the exact paper with the title software engineering will be displayed. So you apply on the search. You see we have 2400,000 results here. If you are searching for the latest papers, or we can also give the range as well. You can see on the left hand side the time. If you are searching for the papers since 2021, so all the papers after 2021 will be displayed. Similarly, since 2024 and similarly since 2025. So only those papers which are published in 2025, those will be displayed. You can see here 2025, 2025, all these papers are present over here. And you can also give the custom range as well. Custom range, for example, if I am searching for the papers that are published between 2020 to 2025, so you can give the custom range as well. Now search for that papers. You can see all these papers are published from 2020 to 2025. Again, I will show you another tip as well. If you are searching for the papers in which the software engineering is mentioned, as well as the key term artificial intelligence is mentioned, so we will use the Boolean operator or connecting operator, that is AND. You have to write the AND, double quotes, and artificial intelligence. It means all those papers will be displayed in which software engineering key term and artificial intelligence key term is used. Now search for that, but it will show us the result between 2020 and 2025. So we can change the custom range, or we can change the time on the basis of our requirement. Now just search for this. You can see all those papers in which the title contains the artificial intelligence and software engineering. So all those papers will be retrieved. Now we are more refining for the key terms. You can use that software engineering, or a paper in which only the software is mentioned. We'll use the parenthesis here, artificial intelligence or AI, because you can see that different synonyms are used. For artificial intelligence, we are using artificial intelligence, the full form, or the AI, as well as software engineering, or we are searching for the paper in which only the software is mentioned. So here close the parenthesis. You can see it will retrieve all those papers in which the software engineering or software term has been used, and along with that we are concatenating that along with the software engineering or the software, there must be another term, artificial intelligence or AI, because in the papers we see that the different terms are used in the paper. So if we search that, now you can see here on the top, software engineering for AI. So it means our search string is working and we are retrieving the papers. Our search string is retrieving the papers on the basis of our requirements, the software engineering, and another word is the AI. The key term is AI. Similarly, you can see the AI and software. You can see here the AI and software, artificial intelligence. So it means, and the AI is, has been used in this paper. So in this way you can search and you can optimize your search, and you can search for a particular paper on the Google Scholar. So for that you have to design a search string. So this is the simple way that you can use the OR and AND operators to distinguish between the different key terms and search for your required papers.